Besters, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to make brooder. As you can see, the structure is well done. We are done with the structure. So today with my team we are going to make brooder because the chicks are almost coming in 1 to 2 weeks, so we have to prepare. The reason we are making the brooder is because chicks need total heat, and so that we can take care of these chicks between 1 week to almost around the 3rd week, so that you can put them to this structure and they can move freely. But before that, they need to stay somewhere where they can receive total care. Remember, they're just small chicks, they're just babies, so they have to take care of them. So today with my team we are making brooder, and we make with using the plywood, as you can see. So and another one behind me just here. So one plywood, we just cut it into half, then connect it, and you'll see what we are going to do. And within that one plywood I'm going to keep 200 pieces. So with me I have 5. You see, 1 2 3 4, add that one down, 5 pieces. So we just make a circular thing where we provide warmth and heat and warmth. I think it's the same thing. So watch this video till the end, share this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed to this video, because the only way you can support me through this work is subscribing and sharing this video and watching till the end. Thank you, and let's get to work. So guys, with my team we are able to get the right measurements for this. So this plywood you just cut into half, then join them according to what you want, how many chicks you want to bring on board is how you join them. Like for example, one plywood, when you join it, it will hold 200 to 250 pieces for 3 weeks. And again, for this case, because we are waiting for 1,000 chicks, so we had to join 2 plywood, so we'll have 4 pieces we join together. So this is my team, and this is how we are doing it. Enjoy and learn something from this. This plywood, it's very delicate, so you need support. You need someone to hold for you, or look for a carpenter who knows how to do it, because just one mistake you just destroy the whole wood. So just get a support from, or get your foodie and help and come up with just cut into 2 and join them. So I have said that we are using 4 pieces, and 4 pieces in one plywood. One brooder will hold 500 pieces, and the other one 500 pieces. And still we also make another one with 2 pieces, where we'll use that plywood, that space for first aids. You know, when chicks comes, there are those who will be weak, so you separate them so that they can go with the same pace with the rest. So here, that's how we did it. At this point, we are already done making our brooder. You might ask yourself, why the circular thing? Why not even triangle? Why that shape of circle? This is because when chicks they are dead to 1 week old, they tend to go to one place because they come together where they feel warmth. And when they go to that corner, if the brooder is like a rectangle, they tend to suffocate themselves and they end up dying. That's why we put in a circular way, so that they don't have that space of just going towards one corner, because you lose them. That's the reason why we prefer coming up with a circular brooder. And here I'm already done. You can see I have three brooders. That is one brooder will hold 500 pieces, the other one 500 pieces, because we are expecting 1,000 pieces. And that small one, it's a sick bay, where if we have a weak chick or a injured chick, that's where you'll put it. And because we want to achieve the same growth. So thank you guys for watching up to this far. As I go, I'll leave you with some of the photos of the brooders I've ever made for clients. And if you still you feel you can't make your own, you can still get us through WhatsApp. That's the number, and we'll make it for you. So guys, bye, and keep watching my videos. Let's meet in the next one. God bless you.